Okay Lee, I'll just show you how to use the box. So that's on low volume. So when it's set on low volume, you'll see that it extinguishes Tesla. If you turn it up,
time as well.
The Tesla will stay on more. I've got a little mark as well.
Uses for this ripping and
so it's best not to exceed the max volume mark, because if you do, you've got the potential to introduce a little bit of hum. But
down this.
I think as you can hear there, but it's mega loud anyway without it. So I'll just turn it down to a volume where you can hear me. So this button is reverb.
The date one.
Right, so in the middle, this is the button we've got that'll allow you to retune to your region. So when you receive the box, if you push and hold that, you'll see it'll stick on one station. And on the back of the unit, I'll just do that again. So if I push and hold,
just down the road from
1 minute, you'll see it circles. And when you release, what it'll do is it'll start to scan and store the station. So it's best to do this near a window or outdoors. And this is near my window at the minute. You'll see it's going through these stations. On a good sweep, you'll get 20-25 channels. So we'll see what this achieves between now and 108. So basically it's effectively capturing and storing each of the channels. Just while it's doing that, at the bottom you've got these two power packs that sit under the base of the unit. Top slide off, require 4 AA batteries, 2 AA batteries. You can switch a Tesla on and off, and you can switch a radio on and off. So that's caught about 19 channels. So what you see, it's just playing through them now. When you take it indoors, and obviously it'll introduce a little bit of white noise because the channels won't be as pronounced.
Do that, my senses.